Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am extremely happy to interact with you. Guys, summer is almost over, so I am going to make one last summer drink, which is known called mint moru. 1 tablespoon black peppers, 1/2 cup mint leaf, 1 cup fresh lebon are the ingredients. Then combined mint, black pepper, and lebon, mix it well. Take a look at how it appears. It's very simple summer drink. I hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, comments, and like. Have a good day.